You can use the activity key to lock and unlock your vehicle. While the activity key is worn on the wrist, the smart key must remain inside the vehicle and out of sight at all times. When the activity key is activated, the vehicle locks, the alarm system arms, and any smart keys inside the vehicle disable. To lock your vehicle, the ignition must be switched off and the smart key must be inside the vehicle. After closing all doors, the antenna activates for 30 seconds. Place the activity key as shown. When the pairing is complete, the vehicle locks and arms the alarm. The lamps flash to confirm. Any smart keys outside the vehicle remain enabled. When returning to the vehicle, press the release button to reactivate the antenna. The antenna activates for 30 seconds. Place the activity key as shown. The vehicle unlocks and the alarm is disarmed. The lamps flash to confirm.